Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? I know. You can see by the big red box, red and black box with the big old Kershaw on there. We're going to take a look at something really, really cool from Kershaw. Today we're going to take a look at the XCOM DW. And the DW basically just stands for Desert Warrior. Okay? Now, before we get right quick to the blade, as usual, they usually include their all awesome, I don't want to say propaganda, but, stuff you need to know about your brand new knife. They're doing that a lot in their stuff, and I really, really think that's cool. But okay, I know you guys are going, look, we're not here for the propaganda. Show me the blade. And there it is. Guys, when I saw this in an email from Kershaw, I instantly fell in love with it, and I had to get it. Honestly, it's one of the most unique folding blades I have seen in a very, very long time. If you had the same thought that I am, yes, it instantly reminded me of a fixed blade. It really, truly did. So I had to get it, had to grab it, had to bring it to the channel. Now, I will say right now, finding this one is becoming a bit of a bear, but I can find them in the all black, no problem. That will come into play in just a little bit. Now let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. The fit and finish, I think, is absolutely perfect. I love the copper on the OD green. It just adds an incredible little touch to it. Fits great in the hand, no problems whatsoever with it. Feels pretty good inside my little mitten here. Alright, let's get to the fun stuff and the stats. This is a Les George design, and I'll be honest, I don't know if I've brought any of his other blades to my channel, but if I have, take a look right up here. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blades we've ever brought to the channel before. It might be sitting up in there. This blade was inspired by a World War II trench knife. So I thought that was, just incredibly cool. I was thinking a modern day like bayonet or something like that, but nope, World War II trench knife. It's got an overall length of 8 inches. The blade is 3.60 with a cutting edge of 3.50. Closed, it's 4.40 with a weight of 4.20 ounces. Seriously, guys, you're barely going to feel this in your pocket once you get used to it. Now, I love the fact that it is a plain edge with a flat grind, and they call it a dagger style. And yes, it does have a false edge up here. It gives you the impression there's one, but there's not one. The blade has a copper finish on it, which I thought was just beautiful. And yes, as you can see right there, the blade steel is 8CR13 MOV. I know, guys. It's an okay steel. It's a great budget steel. You're going to learn how to sharpen your blade a lot because it will take an edge, but sometimes it may not keep it forever, depending what you do with it. Now, we do have a stainless steel black-coated frame in there that gives it that little just offset look that there's really nothing there, but it's cool. We do have a liner lock. Now, what I thought was cool is instead of thumb studs, it's like that wave paddle or a thumb paddle open. Gives you a really good feel when you're getting her open. Now, the scales on there are... Hey, you. Yeah. Let me finish the video. Okay. Thank you. My little one's singing along like those of you familiar with my channel, so still. The scales on there are OD green glass reinforced nylon. They feel pretty good, no problems whatsoever. You can do a right-hand carry or a left-hand carry, whichever you prefer, tip up only. We do have a lanyard hole. And yes, it is made in China. Alright, now for the fun part of the video. Guys, if you're unfamiliar with my channel, we usually only do 3 cut tests, okay? They're really, really simple, and I think they're pretty effective with kind of trying to judge a blade's sharpness. First up, heavy-duty stock paper. Okay, well, I'll take that right out of the gate just with it skipping across. I love those curly cues. Uh-oh. That's the paper. I was kind of curious about that. Alright. Satisfying sound going through. Let's just get rid of the scrap. Alright. Now I got that curly cue a moment ago. Let's see if I can get it again. Oh yeah. Now there's a huge reason why I like doing that, guys. Alright. Anybody can take a blade and go, sharp! Sharp! But if you take it and you drag it across at that right angle, do you see that right up at the front right there? That's what it should do. It should basically cut through and turn through. Hey guys, I'm filming a video.
I'm just but they're
Okay, shh. Let me finish this, please, okay?
princess
Alright guys, well those who are familiar with my channel, you know the kids. But still, like I said, if you drag it across slow, it should do that. Curl back into itself and give you that great, neat little curly cue. Alright, next up, paracord. Let's go for a pull test. Okay. Went through almost no problem. Not a lot of force required on that guy, but still. Let's go for a slice test. Yeah, no problem. Alright, last up, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yeah, no issues whatsoever with that. Alright, paper should stand out beautifully against that copper finish, or anything, and I'm not seeing it. And yeah, it still feels razor sharp. So that's pretty cool right out of the box. Alright, now I looked in the 3 usual spots that I do when you're going online to find cost and ratings. Now I got all the pricing on August 5th, 2020, and I'm filming this video on August 7th, 2020. Now, I looked on Amazon, BladeHQ, and Kershaw. On Amazon, I could only find the black version of this for $28.04, and it is Prime eligible for those of you who have Amazon Prime. On BladeHQ, I found this guy for $32.95, and on Kershaw, I found the black only for $49.49. Now, it's been reviewed 7 times on Kershaw for a 4 out of 5 star rating. It has yet to be reviewed on BladeHQ. And on Amazon, the black version has been reviewed 105 times for a 4.3 out of 5 star rating. Alright, here's the best part of the video for me. Seriously, I love this part. You guys know what's coming. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below. Yes, I'm using my AM radio voice. That's right, boys and girls. We really want to know. Do you think it's an F-bomb? Wait a minute. Yeah, an F-bomb. Or is it noise? An F-bomb. Or noise? I don't know. I just thought it'd be funny to throw that out there. All right. Seriously, I want to know what you guys think of it. I kind of like it. I like the look of it. It's something really unique to have in my blade collection. Now, here's another fun part for me, okay? For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know that your time is your most precious commodity, and I'm very, very grateful that you're giving me some of it today. Hopefully, I earned a lot more of it. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys who have yet to subscribe, my question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, okay? Leave me something constructive, and let's see if we can put it, in play in a future video. After you've done all that, take a look right down here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? You know what? That's a great question. It's going to enable you to notify yourself every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those wonderful videos that we love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, there we go. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw XCOM DW, which basically stands for Desert Warrior. Thank you so much for watching, and like I say in every single video, I hope all of you are being safe, and I hope all of you are having an enjoyable day today.